On a misty February morning, the heart of Darjeeling awakens under a thick veil of clouds. Winds move swiftly across Mall Road, blurring the lines between sky and earth. In the off-season calm, only a few early risers pass through. Ponies, a timeless symbol of Darjeeling, wait patiently, ready to carry memories down these historic lanes. At the town's open stage, young spirits practice karate, filling the quiet air with energy and discipline. Overlooking them, the statue of Bhanubhakta Acharya, a revered Nepali poet, reminds us of Darjeeling's rich cultural blend. A man and his loyal companion wander through the mist, embracing the slow, steady rhythm of the hills. Life here moves gently. A street dog sleeps undisturbed, while pigeons roam freely in the cool morning air. The shops along Mall Road remain shuttered in the morning hush. We pass by Glenary's, an iconic bakery that has sweetened Darjeeling's story for generations. On a wall, a joyful face and a picture of Darjeeling's legendary toy train, frozen moments of a town that lives in memories and smiles. Slowly, the town stirs awake. A few more footsteps join the rhythm of Mall Road. In the heart of the square, pigeons dance in a fountain, scattering droplets like tiny diamonds in the mist. A couple strolls hand in hand, while a horse keeps them quiet company. The young warriors continue their practice, determination shining through the haze. A traveler rides a pony, carrying forward traditions that have long defined these hills. Care and pride show in small acts, as a lady sweeps the street clean, preserving the soul of Darjeeling. Climbing gently now, we approach the Mahakal Temple, a place where faith rises with the mist. At the entrance, the ringing of a bell welcomes all, seekers, wanderers, and dreamers. Within the temple complex, vibrant colors and the scent of incense blend with the mountain air, creating a sanctuary of peace. Today, Darjeeling celebrates Saraswati Puja. An idol of the goddess of wisdom stands in reverence, a symbol of devotion and new beginnings. The clock tower stands proud, a silent witness to time, history, and change. Inside Glenary's, the soulful notes of a saxophone float into the night, weaving music into the mountain air. As night falls, Mall Road shimmers under strings of lights. The day's quiet gives way to a gentle hum of evening life. Beneath the starless sky, we lift our eyes once more to the Darjeeling Clock Tower, standing timeless, standing proud. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.